Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. My name is Abdulwahab. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can actually secure your Binance account with Google Authenticator, alright? Not just Binance alone. If you have any platform that you are using, security of the platform, that is your own account, is very, very important. Especially if it is a platform where you transact, okay, that talks about fund, alright? Make sure you secure your account. Okay, so if you don't know what is Google Authenticator, Google Authenticator is an app that you can actually use to secure your account. It's the security code that they're going to be giving to you will be changing every 60 seconds. That is just a minute. All right, it is not like an OTP, but it is very, very secured. All right, so the first thing you need to do once you are doing any registration on any platform at all, not just Binance alone, all right, and you are asked to actually use Google Authenticator, the first thing you need to do is to go to your Play Store. All right. Okay, so let me go to my Play Store and show you this app so that you won't download wrong app. Okay, so now let's go right now. All right, so right now I'm on my Play Store. All right, so once you're on your Play Store, the first thing for you to do is to actually come to this area, which is this search bar, and type Authenticator. Right, okay, let's search for it. You can actually see I have my own installed here. All right, so if you are just coming here for the first time, you are not going to see update, so you are going to see install, and this is the Google Authenticator right here. So your own should be like this. Don't just go and download any other Google Authenticator. All right, don't go and download wrong authenticator. All right, so this is it, and I'm also going to update it right now. Just click on update. But for you, if you are just coming here for the first time, you're going to see install here. You click on install for it to actually install. But I have it here before, and it is just asking me for an update. Okay, and I'm done updating it right now. Okay, you can actually see I'll click on open. So I have it here. You can actually see I use this authenticator to secure most of my account, right? If I keep scrolling, you see that I use it to secure my accounts. Okay, you can actually use it to secure your Facebook account. You can actually use it to secure your email account, and you can actually use it to secure any of these your exchange or anywhere, right? Okay, because it's changed. You can actually see, look at them here. They will be changing every 60 seconds. You can actually see this one is going. Keep watching them. Or this one. Okay, so in the next 60 seconds, you discover that all this number has changed. Right? If someone is trying to intrude or hack into any of this platform, as far as this code is changing every 60 seconds, you can actually see it has changed. So the person will not be able to hack into your account, even if they have your password. They have your password, they have your username, but they can't still intrude into this into it because they don't have this authenticator. Because anytime you want to log in, it's going to prompt for them to actually bring this authenticator's code. All right, it will be changing every single minute. All right, that is 60 seconds. All right, you can actually see, let it change again for you to actually see. Boom, everything has changed. Okay, so and that is exactly what we want to do now. And this the sweetest part of this is you can use this authenticator to secure as many apps or a social network or anything that you're using. You can use to secure as many of them as possible, and you just need only one authenticator. You don't need to download many authenticator. Okay, you can actually see it right here. This is from Google. All right, okay, so now let's go back to the Binance. Let me secure my own Binance right now for you to see how you can actually do your own. All right, so make sure you subscribe to this video, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a video like this, you will be notified first. Okay, all right, so now let's move in right now. Do not forget to also drop a comment. Let me know if you have any question that you actually want me to solve for you. Let me know in the comment section of this video right now. Okay, I'm also going to drop the link to Binance accounts so that if you also want to register, if you don't have the account before, you can actually register and start using the platform. It's a good platform. Okay, so now let's move in right now. Let me show you how you can actually merge it with this area. Okay, so let's go in right now. All right, so here it is. So the first thing I need to do is to come to the settings. All right, so Here's my own Binance. I'm on my Binance here. So once you're on your Binance, the next thing is for you to actually locate the settings. Okay, so in which I'm going to click this top right corner. Sorry, this top left corner of the screen right here. So once I click on that area, I'm going to locate the security. All right, so this is the security. Security is very important in anything that you are doing online. Okay, because you need to protect your privacy, protect your fund. Okay, all right, because once this is swiped away or your image is being used, or it's going to tarnish most of the thing, and it can cause a lot of problem to use. All right, so once you click on this security, it's going to land you in this area. So once it land you on this area, the next thing for you to do is for you to actually click on this Binance slash Google authentication. All right, so I'm going to click on that right now. So once you click on that, it's going to ask you to actually turn it on. All right, and in any platform that you are using, all right, so once the okay, so let's turn it on first. You can actually see they are asking us to download this. You can actually go through this area, okay, to download this. Also, in any platform that you are using, if they ask you to bind all this authenticator, first thing is for you to download the authenticator. The next thing is for you to go to that platform. The platform is going to give you a link in which you are going to embed to that authenticator for you to actually link to the app. And that is what we'll be doing right now. Okay, so now let's go in right now. I'm going to click on this link here, okay, because I want to link it. You can actually read this. Please download and install Binance on or Google Authenticator. Then tap on this link. All right, so let's tap on the link. Let's do it practically. So I'm going to skip on this. All right, so you're going to see the link here. So you click on this copy. All right, so once you click on this copy, all right, so you get back to your authenticator. All right, okay, so let's get back to our authenticator. So I've just clicked on this copy. So you get back to your authenticator. All right, so right here I'm in my authenticator. What do I need to do? Because I have a lot of it here. So I will click on this plus icon here that is here. So once I click on this plus icon, okay, so it's going to tell me to either scan a QR code. You can actually see it here. I should scan or I enter a setup key. So I'm going to click on this enter setup key. All right, enter setup key. You can actually see I'm going to write any platform that you want to bind to this authenticator. Just write the name. Okay, the name for this one is Binance. Any name you can, the name is for you to actually use it to identify it. You can write any name. Yes, sir, this one is Binance right now. I can even decide to put my name here, and no problem, there is no problem. Okay, so you can actually choose, is it a time based or counter based? All right, you can actually see my own is in time based, which is 60 seconds. Right, so I normally use time based. All right, so your key, you can actually see this, your key. I will paste the link that I just copied from Binance. All right, that is this link that I just copied from here. All right, so I'll paste it here. So I'll paste it here. So I've just pasted it here. I'll click on this add button. Add. So once I click on add, boom, it has been secret saved. It has been saved. All right. You can actually see the Binance is here right now. You can actually see we are not done yet. Okay, because we need to go to Binance again and enter this code that is going to display here. All right. Okay, so let's allow it to change again. Let's see. Okay, this is how you can bind your app or any other things to this authenticator and make it secured. You can actually see, boom, it has changed now, 185125. I'll get back to Binance. I'll click on this link. I'll enter that 185. Okay, first thing to do, because that one will still change before we end it, and if it change again, it's not going to complete. So they're going to send OTP to my phone number right now, and they're also going to send it to my email before I can embed this authenticator. This for them to actually confirm that, yeah, I am the one, the owner of this account that is actually embedding this into this Binance. Okay, you can actually see how secure it is. Okay, you should be security cautious of what you do online. All right, okay, because people are there in which their mission is for them to actually hack you down or intrude into your privacy. Use this to secure your account. All right, okay, so if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this video, like this video, and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video, you'll be notified first. Do not forget to also drop a comment Okay, so so that I'll be able to know how you feel. All right. Okay, so let's go in right now. So I'm going to click on this send code here, send code for them to send code to my email and send code to my phone number. All right. So a code will be sent as soon as possible. Then I'll enter them. Then you enter your own here. I'm going to enter it here. So it has been sent to my phone right now. So I'm going to check the one that has been sent to my mobile phone. So I'll enter it here. All right. This 148,472. So I also go to my email and check the one that has been sent to my email right now. All right, so right now this is the one that has been sent to my email. I'm also going to copy it. You can actually see bind Google two-factors authenticators to your Binance. I'll click on this, copy this code. Then I'll head back to my Binance right now and paste the code there. All right, so I'll paste it on this email session. All right, so if you did not receive, you can click on send code again. All right, let's know you did not receive it, you can click on send code again. But I've received my own. I just need to enter it here. So the next thing now is for me to head back to the authenticator and see the code that is there presently. Then I'll copy the code and bring it to this area to come and paste here. Once I paste it there, then it will embed automatically. All right. Okay, so let's go there. So Binance can see 423,437. Let's go back. 423,437. Right? Okay, so I'll click on submit button. Boom, success. You can actually see it has been turned on. All right. So anytime I want to log in right now, it's going to ask me to bring this authenticator. Okay, don't think it's going to stress you. It is better for all this to stress you. Okay, no, there's no stress. The only stress is for you to go there and pick it, then you come and log in. If you don't do this, people will intrude into your privacy as fast as possible and they will wipe away your phone. Right? This is why it is very, very important for you to actually bind this to your Binance, bind this to your Facebook, bind this to your Gmail. All right, anywhere you want to go, just go to the security, go to the setting. If you're on your Facebook, go to settings, then locate two factors, Google two factors authenticator. So if you are in your Gmail, you should also do the same thing. Go to setting, locate Google two factors authenticators, then you click on the bind and do it exactly what you have just did here by just copying a link from the platform and paste it in the authenticator, then grab the code in the authenticator and bring it back to that app and paste it there. Then you click on save. Fine, everything is done. You can actually see I've secured my own. If you also have Google Binance account, you can actually use this and also secure your own right now. Okay, so you can actually see it has been marked. Initially it was not marked, but now it has been marked, this which means you can actually see my security is very strong. I use biometric. Now I have Google authenticators, okay, and I have email secured, and I have my SMS. You can actually see I secured the fund I have here. Make sure you also secured the fund you have. All right, that way, if you are sleeping, you have rest of mind, even if your money is here. Okay, if not, you wake up one day and the next thing is the fund has been transferred. How? All right, okay, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video thumbs up. All right, like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video, you'll be notified first. Do not forget to also share this video to those who need it so that they'll also be able to secure their account. All right, do not also forget to drop a comment in the comment section of this video. Let me know the video you need next, then I'm going to shoot the video and send it here so that you can actually watch it. Right? Okay, so I remain Abdul Wahab. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.